Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome to my new video. In this video I am gonna tell you about the installation process of code blocks in the Windows PC. For this you just have to Google for the code block. Here I am typing code block in the Google search bar and just hit enter, and the very first result is for code blocks. Just click on this, just click on downloads. Here just click on download the binary release. Okay, and it is taking time. And here, as you can see, this is the Windows version code blocks, and there are many versions as present here, but you have to download this one, option number 4. Okay, you just have to click here on the force HUB, and after clicking on this your setup is downloaded automatically. Let me just click on this. I have already downloaded it, and so I don't have to download it again. So let me just get rid of this. Okay, now let's go to the downloads, and it must be in the download folder as well. So let me just go to the download folder. Here is our setup. Just double click on this and run the setup. Okay, now our setup is running and it is showing welcome to code blocks setup. Click next. Here is the license agreement, you can read this out. Okay, then click I agree and keep all these settings as default. Click next, click install. And your program will be installed in a few minutes. Just hold it. Okay, now it is showing, do you want to run code blocks now? Let me just click no this time, cause this looks good to me, cause I have to finish the setup first. Click next and then finish. And here is our code block. Let me just open this, and it is running the open source cross platform IDE 20.03. And here is our code blocks IDE. And if you guys are facing any problem in the installation process, then you can tell me down below in the comment section, and my email is also provided in the description down below, so that you can email me. And I think the video is good enough. This is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.